Hey guys, so let's try this out. So I found out why it was leaking. It could be that this piece was not in all the way, so I checked it before I reinstalled it. We'll clean the bottom of it with hole. Just to make sure that this piece is all the way in the middle part, the nozzle, and then you just have to I'm gonna tape it so that no one knocks it down by accident. I think this right here is if you want to use it for a gallon, but that's if you actually keep taking it out and off. So this, I'm gonna put it back in its box. And then yeah, so I'm gonna refill it with more water. And then we'll do a full test on it. And we'll check everything with the leaks. You just have to check the pipes and check the sink, not just the faucet itself. You have to check everything, like here, the pipes, make sure that they're not bursting out. And then right there, that's damage from the actual tube when it was still wet, when it was being inserted. But that doesn't have to deal with the actual drain itself. But yeah, so time to go to this old gallon right here. Bye bye. Yo, before I get rid of it, I want to peel the wall off. Just have to and then it's time to get rid of this old piece of crap gallon that never worked. I can just cut that out with scissors. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this old gallon off. There we go. And this right here is trash. Just dump that out. I hear water stuck down there. I'm gonna flip it upside down completely. Oh, there's actually yeah, it's stuck right there. There we go. Now this is trash already. Doesn't work anymore. I can't save the stainer because it's been compromised already, and I already have another one. So now time to get this tape off the wall with that. And yeah, there's a way that's painter's tape, never mind. See if the tape peeled the wall. Because I was expecting the tape to peel the wall off. The paint off completely. I don't see any signs of wear and tear, so I guess that this paint here is strong on the wall. This is the original paint. There we go. There we go. Nice. Didn't rip anything at all, but this is all trash. The trash can is hidden. Okay, so there we go. Now we have more space. We can actually hear ahead with this, but I'm gonna raise it up just a bit more higher and move it over here a little bit more. Anyways, that's it. It's already running out, bro. That's pretty much it. No leaks. Okay, no leaks, so we're all good. And that's it.